Hello. So this is a video that's been like highly requested. Kind of everyone's asking me to show off what my apartment looks like, and I've done a couple things on Instagram, just a couple stories, but I thought I'd make like a full video showing you what my apartment complex looks like. So I pay like a set price per week, and that includes the gym that's in the building, the movie room, my heating, my electricity, and Wi-Fi and water and all that is all included, which is nice. So I don't have to pay like different, you know, prices per week based on what I use. Yeah, so I thought I'd show you around. I'm really proud of my room. I love it so much. It took me forever to get it like absolutely perfect, which is difficult since it's such a small space. But I'll just show you around, show you what I have in my room, where I bought it, and yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is my front door. Sorry, I have a package because it's my birthday coming up and my grandma sent me flowers. You'll see that later. Yeah, so this is the front of my little apartment. It's so cute. So we have this here where you buzz my flat and I can let you in, or if someone I don't know buzzes, I can pick up the phone and I can talk to the person outside. My main light switches. This is how I control like my heating and everything. So if you're going to college, you have your own apartment, whatever, I swear to God, this is the best hack ever. Put a little command hook right here with your important keys and stuff, and that way like it's made me get into the habit of always putting my key right there so I never lose my key, and all the important stuff right there. I've got my coats, no longer need that because it's getting quite hot. And yeah, so this is like my little entryway, and these I actually got from Amazon as well. I think they were like 12 pounds, but I needed something for this wall that's above my radiator and shoes. And I just thought they fit perfectly with the theme and the color and kind of boho-y, but yeah, I love them. Oh, I almost forgot to show you. I made this. This is like my favorite decoration. So basically, long story short, this is from the inside of Justin Bieber's new album. It's like the paper that comes in the CD, because basically if you bought the CD, you get access to buy tickets to like a private concert in London. Unfortunately, I didn't get the tickets, which I'm so sad about. I literally felt like a crazy fan. I woke up super early. It was like 6:30 in the morning and I got in line and I waited, but they were all sold out. So it was impossible to get it, but you know, I got the CD obviously anyway because you had to buy that to get the tickets, and I thought, I don't have a CD player, so what can I do? Well, I could make a cute poster. So yeah, I've got Justin Bieber right in the front of my room. So this is my mirror and it looks into my kitchen. Obviously, I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm just going to show you the bathroom first to get that out of the way. Not that interesting. This is the best selfie mirror in the world because you can literally get your whole outfit in. Actually, a little promo here. This is my friend Ronnie's hoodie she made for my birthday. It's the cutest thing ever because I obviously love orange. Orange is my favorite color. So if you're looking to get a sweatshirt, follow Ronnie Pignato on Instagram and she will make one and send one to you. And yeah, they're not that expensive and they're really well done. Okay, so this is my cute little bathroom. I call it like my airplane bathroom just because it reminds me of an airplane bathroom. It's just so tiny, but it's fine because that's all I need for me. I've got my sink, my toiletries, my cotton pads, and Q-tips. All my products, you don't need to see that. Toilet, don't know why you'd want to see that. Double mirror, which is cool. Got my cleaning supplies, my waterproof speaker for when I shower. I don't bring it in the shower, I just leave it right there. But yeah, and then I've got my shower here. It's cute, little shower. I mean, it's nothing special, but it gets the job done. Okay, so this is my kitchen. It is so cute. It's so tiny. We've got my fridge right here, which is really cute. I need to go shopping, but I'm trying to limit my shopping during quarantine. That's my freezer. It's kind of a small fridge, but oops, gotta shut that. But it works for me. So this rug, oh my God, the tag. What am I doing? Okay, so I got this rug from TK Maxx. It's called TK Maxx in the UK, and it was like 15 pounds, so not that expensive. It's really cute, it's really nice. The only annoying thing is it's hand wash, because like especially being over my kitchen, some things get on it, so it's difficult to hand wash it. But I think it goes so nice with like the grays, and when I move to my new apartment with my friend Elle, it will work perfectly in there, because you know, this goes with everything. I've got the cutest little dryer rack. I got this from TK Maxx. It was probably like 6 pounds, not even. It's super small, so it's like smaller than a normal one, but it fits perfectly, because if I got anything bigger I would lose all this counter space. I've got the cutest little tea holder. I'm a tea drinker now, and to go with it I've got this teapot. So normally over here people use a kettle, but I don't really have much counter space, as you can see, so I wanted something that wouldn't take up much space, but I do drink tea a lot, so I needed it, and I thought this would be perfect because you just leave it on the hob. So these are some of my cupboards. I've got dishes in here. You don't really need to see that. I don't need much because usually it's just me. Snacks. I'm not going to show you all my snacks. But next is my microwave oven. So this is a microwave and oven all in one. It's a bit difficult to figure out just because since it's a microwave, you're not allowed to put metal things in here, even if you're using the oven setting, so I've had to buy like a couple new things for that. But it's fine, it's cute, it's little. I cook some things in it. It works just fine. You have to read the directions to figure out what all these symbols and things mean, but once you figure it out, it's not that bad. And then underneath, you've obviously got storage for pots and pans. So then we come over here, and I have my little island. Don't mind my packages. I keep them right there by my like island stool because it reminds me to return them. I got these from Asda. You could probably get like the same things from Walmart. They were so cheap, probably like 50 pence. I got this basket for my my napkins from Primark. It was probably like a pound or something. And then I've got my lighter in there for my candle, my hand sanitizer. But I think I really like the placemats because it gives it something more instead of just a plain all white. Those are my birthday cards. These are the flowers my grandma sent me. They're so cute and pretty. I'm so excited. I love having flowers here. It just like brightens it up a little bit just since it's so kind of monochrome. And then I've got to warn you, this is my silverware. I hate this thing. I got it from TK Maxx and I thought it was the greatest thing ever. But the silverware, as you can see, it just kind of falls out from the bottom. So it's just kind of pointless, and I want to get a new one after because it makes me so angry. I've got my cloths to clean because I try to clean with cloths to minimize my paper towel use. My Alexa, we call her ECHO, but if I say the name, she'll turn on. And then I've got my utensil holder. This thing is so cute. I got it from TK Maxx as well. I just put like all my, you know, utensils in here, but it's just cute. It kind of decorates it and adds to it. So yeah, that's my little kitchen. So I'm going to show you my favorite part of the room right now, which is my bed. It took me forever to kind of set this up perfectly, but yeah, this is my cute little bed area. So this is my tapestry. I wanted my theme to be like orange, white, gray, that kind of thing. And so this fit perfectly because it's not showing up well here, but it's got like all these different colors and oranges in them, and anything can really match with that. I got that from Amazon. I think it was like 15 pounds. It really wasn't expensive at all. And then I have a bunch of pillows. I got these pillowcases off Amazon. So the pillows came with different pillowcases, but they didn't match the orange that I liked. So I just kind of kept the pillows and found new pillowcases. I went with gray because it just fits better. My duvet from M&S. I hate duvets, but I really like it. The only thing is it's quite warm, so I get really hot underneath the covers. But yeah, the fake plants. I think this one's from Primark. That one's from TK Maxx. Mirrors from TK Maxx, on sale as well. But I think it goes well because you don't really want much on this ledge because I often put like my phone and stuff, but it can still all fit. And then I've got cute little decorations and it's just simple. Oh, how could I even forget? This is my blanket. I got it from Wayfair. It's perfect. It's so comfy. It sheds like a tiny bit, but it looks so good with the room. So the beds they gave us were super nice because they came with storage. So I use it obviously as storage. So I've actually got a full-size suitcase, and then behind this suitcase is like a carry-on suitcase that's underneath my bed, which is nice. And then they gave us two little drawers over here. This is like my underwear stuff. Then this is my pants drawer, which is nice. And then I've got the cutest rug in existence. I got this from TK Maxx as well, really cheap. It's like my favorite. It fits perfectly. It's got orange in it, but also colors, so it like matches with the tapestry, brings the room together. So I recently added this to my room. They're so great. I got them from Amazon and they were 10 pounds each, but they're little stools with storage, and I kind of put them here as a bench just to fit in this corner because I needed more storage, but I didn't want something obnoxious. And so I felt like they just kind of fit perfectly. So if you need to sit there, if I have friends over, but then I can put my stuff in it. I was gonna do something with these. I don't know what I was gonna do. I don't know. Sometimes I think I can do things that I can't, but for right now, they're gonna be right there. So this is my like little window area. It's so cute. The windows actually have two-way, no, it's one-way glass. So they put something over it so I can see out and get some light in, but they can't see in, which is nice because sometimes I want the window open and then sometimes I need change or I don't want people watching me. And yeah, I was so happy when they put that in. Oh yeah, and this gamer chair, it's so cute. It came with the place, but I absolutely love it. It's so comfy, and I kind of want to find one to bring to my new apartment or something. It's just, I always sit in it. I love it. This is my wardrobe. It actually fits so much, as you can see. Not the cleanest, obviously. But yeah, I fit so much in this wardrobe. I absolutely love clothes. Lastly, this is my desk. I've never had a TV in my room, so I'm very excited about that. I actually have used it a bit more now that like my friend has hooked his Xbox to it, because then I can like stream Netflix easier from it. But yeah, sorry, I was having like a protein shake just to get some protein. But I've got all these cute things. This is from Primark. This is from my friend Ronnie for my birthday. This mirror is also from Primark. My parents sent me a fruit basket because I love fruit for my birthday, so yeah, that's there. I've got my remote, some random things, my purses, and then lots of pictures of my friends because I love them, obviously. So with my desk come all these storage containers above it, and I've tried to decorate them nicely, but I've needed more space, obviously. So yeah, there's snacks, a cute little decorative one, and then yeah, I've used most of them for storage. I got this from TK Maxx for cheap. This from Primark. It's annoying. The saying's been there the whole time because it's too difficult to change. My absolute favorite candle from Bath & Body Works, Mahogany Teakwood. Get on that. You need to find it. Fake plant from Primark. This is my little gym. As you can see, it's quite small, but you know, you don't really need more than this, just because like there's usually never more than 1 or 2 people working out in here at a time. So I've never like experienced a problem with too many people or it being too small, and you know, it's included with my rent, so that's nice as well. And it's nice that I don't have to leave my house to, you know, go to the gym. I can just like waddle literally 2 minutes down the hallway and there we go. I'm in my own gym. Welcome to the laundry room. Not really that exciting, not gonna spend much time here. Got 2 washers, 2 dryers. You have to pay to do your laundry, but it's nice because it's in the building, and yeah. So this is the movie room. It's so cute. I don't actually hang out here much, which I should, but we've got a giant TV and you can connect it to any really streaming service, which is nice. And we've got the comfy gaming chairs again. So yeah, now I'm going to take you to my favorite little spot in the apartment complex where I get the best view of Leicester. I mean, it's not the greatest view, but it's a pretty good view. Let's go. So that is my updated room tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos because I know I'm really bored during quarantine, and I've got a couple more videos like a clothing haul and a tour of my city plan.